Odisha has approved its IT Policy 2025, a visionary roadmap aimed at positioning the state on the global technology map. The policy underscores innovation, job creation, and investor friendly measures to make Odisha a hub for IT services, digital governance, and emerging technologies. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, data analytics, and IoT form the backbone of the Odisha IT Policy 2025. These technologies will enhance governance efficiency, improve service delivery, and drive digital inclusion across both rural and urban areas. Odisha is also prioritizing cybersecurity, 5G, AR, VR, blockchain, and deep learning. By advancing these fields, the state hopes to lead not just in adoption but also in research, product development, and startup innovation. The policy targets the creation of 1 million direct and indirect jobs in IT and ITES. New centers of excellence, internships, and academia industry collaborations will ensure youth are equipped with next generation skills. The key projects include IT parks, IT towers, SEZs, co-working spaces, and a cable landing station to enhance global digital connectivity. Generous fiscal and non-fiscal incentives ranging from subsidies to tax reimbursements aim to attract domestic and foreign investments at scale. By combining talent, infrastructure, and incentives, Odisha is preparing to emerge as a global innovation hub, contributing to India's leadership in the digital economy. Let's look into today's headlines. Google launches Nano Banana AI in Gemini app for advanced image editing. Google has launched Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, also called Nano Banana, an advanced AI model for image editing and generation within the Gemini app. Priced at $0.039 per image, it enables natural language edits like background blurring, object removal, pose changes, and colorization. With deep semantic understanding, it supports multi-image fusion, object insertion, and design restyling. The model also ensures character consistency and visual templates for real estate, product mockups, and branding. Available via Gemini API, AI Studio, and Vertex AI, it enhances creativity with speed and precision. The Jammu and Kashmir government bans pen drives and WhatsApp for official use amid cybersecurity threats. The Jammu and Kashmir government has banned pen drives and prohibited WhatsApp for official communication to strengthen cybersecurity after recent cyber attacks during Operation Sindoor. The order, issued by Commissioner Secretary M. Raju, applies across all departments, including the Civil Secretariat and Deputy Commissioner offices. The government emphasized preventing data breaches, malware risks, and unauthorized access. Public messaging apps and unsecured platforms like I Love PDF are also barred following large-scale cyber attacks on Jammu and Kashmir's power and government sites. Maharashtra to launch all government services on WhatsApp, says Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced that all government-to-citizen services will soon be accessible through WhatsApp in addition to the state's Aaple Sarkar portal. Reviewing citizen services, he directed officials to reduce documentation, standardize dashboards of Zilla Parishads and municipal corporations, and ensure third-party audits for service quality. Fadnavis suggested forming village clusters for efficient delivery. With 997 out of 1001 services already live on the portal, this digital push aims to improve convenience, transparency, and accessibility for citizens. The Member of Parliament Mahua Moitra questions Rekha Jhunjhunwala's timely Nazara exit. Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra has accused Rekha Jhunjhunwala of insider trading after she sold her entire Rs 334 crore stake in Nazara Technologies just before the centre's online gaming bill 2025. Jhunjhunwala offloaded 61.8 lakh shares on June 13th at Rs 1,225 each, weeks before the law banned real money gaming. Following the bill's approval, Nazara's stock crashed 26.6% in 4 sessions, hurting major investors like Madhusudan Kela and Nikhil Kamath, who faced nearly rupees 100 crore in losses. Mahua Moitra says the timing raises serious concerns. BSNL teams up with OTT Play to launch premium mobile entertainment packs. BSNL has partnered with OTT Play to introduce premium content packs for its mobile customers following the success of free BITV services earlier this year. These packs offer access to leading OTT platforms, 300 plus live TV channels, movies, TV shows, sports, news, and regional content curated via OTT Play's AI-powered platform. Designed to enhance digital entertainment across India, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, the packs can be easily subscribed through BSNL's self-care app, GPay, PhonePe, and other popular payment options. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.